it impossible for you to damage the screw or the material by over-tightening it with the engine. When this kicks in, you can then do manually as fast, as hard as you want to do it. So I show it. So I drive, now it stops, and now I go manually as hard as I want to do it. And the same when I go out, it's the same thing. This is a VDE, so this is proven to work under power with 1000 volts. And if you don't trust your own feeling in the hand, how you're going to fasten it, we have this, and this is a torque adapter. And this is the only torque adapter on the planet that is working with an electric tool. It's the only torque adapter on the planet that is VDE proof as well. So then you put this in between, and then I show you the whole process, how this works. So I'm taking this in, it stops, I turn, and now I fasten this with, in this case, 0.8 Newton meter. The whole process is ready, and this is fixed with the correct torque. Now that is fast, and this is why this is called the SpeedE. Okay? The most sold product from this is the set number 2, and this is the one that you have on your papers as well. This is tremendous success, and it's selling very, very good, and it's a great opportunity for you to make more money.
Yeah, it's number one on the list on the SpeedE set 2.
So what is new to this product? So I can say this, protect from material, because it's has a material protection function, and it's more than 2 times faster than the normal screwdriver, and it's the... So for you, of course, you can explore this additional potential. The potential for this is 5 times the turnover you do with screwdriver. 5 times. So if you make 500,000 today with a screwdriver, $500,000, this will be 2.5 million potential for you with SpeedE. Okay? And of course, we also have sell-out system that I showed you yesterday with displays like this that is really encouraging and selling out the products faster. We also got awarded with prize for our sell-out system for the SpeedE. So if you're interested in this, speak to Alex, and we will also see what we can do for you there to get these systems as well. And the cost for this is a little bit more than €200, and it means if a technician in Europe make 300 screws a day in 6 weeks, this product is paid off, and then he's earning money with this. So return on invest, even in Asia, it's a little bit longer, but still the return on invest is very fast. It's within 1 year, is this product paid for itself. Okay? So this is new, this is brand new. We also make an industrial version of this. So this is not VD, this is due to that black and red. Yes, you see, yes. And this will come in a box like this. There is also a charger, but there is no adapter for the wall, so it's a USB charger, so it fits for all countries. And there is also a mechanical bit holder, of course, inside of this. You can order this, it's on your paper. It costs €149 only. But this will be delivered after the 1st of July. So you are the first one to know about this product. Okay? And it's also coming in a box like this, like you see here, where we have a little bit more explanation for what kind of screws. Because due to the 0.4 Newton meter, you should not do wooden screws with this. It's not the power tool. You should do screws, but it's already coming into a thread. That is ideal. So please take a note on that. If you order this now, in these days, you can have the deliveries beginning of July. Yeah.
Does it come with, can you get torque adapters as well?
No. No. And this is done, so this you can put in 6.3 millimeter bits inside of this.
Yeah. Also, just a regular...
It's a regular,
yes.
It's a regular bits.
Yeah. And the amount of torque the motor provides is the same as the BDE one?
No, we don't have a torque provider.
No, sorry, the amount of...
Yeah, the manual is the same. It stops at 0.4 Newton meters, and then you can do it by hand.
Okay.
So that's the same.
It's the same except for the BDE.
Except for the BDE and for the bits.
And there is less assortment of products inside, and this is why also the price is then $149 on this.
So the SpeedE is in a sortable box. It's a complete box with a charger and bits and stuff like that. And this is a little bit different. It's only in packaging and less bits, only 1 bit and 1 bit adapter. so it's reduced. So that's why the price and no BDE.
Okay. You go.
All right.
Perfect. So that was the beginning.
So that was the beginning.
Do you have one with the with the same that was with
For that price, or what do you mean?
No, you mean higher price, but
Yeah, we have BDE.
you have the same industrial.
Oh, so what you're saying is that same industrial,
Yeah.
but BDE version, meaning no USB adapter, no.
No, don't have.
You need
No,
USB adapter, but no the
don't have.
how do you say connected to the wall.
Yeah, the USB charger.
Don't have. You can use it, however, because the charger is connected with the USB into this adapter for the wall. But we only have this set today. We can talk about that. We can talk on the boat. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have already talked about that. Not really.
How so?
So the third menu item on your menu list is the competence XXL. So you can see it behind. I don't know who is aware of the suitcase. Only two guys.
Two guys. And this is our second most money-bringing product.
Yeah, and it's, I can tell you, every fair I've been, everybody saw the suitcase and asked me for the suitcase. It's still a top seller. Since I started at Wiha, I can imagine the first fair I went, it was a Sonicor fair. Booth was crowded, everybody was looking at the suitcase, and still now they are buying, rebuying the suitcase. They're buying one for one employee